Well, hello family, friends, and YouTube. I was receiving a lot of comments wanting to know about the shifting pattern or the gears. And big thing is can you change gears, downshift and upshift while in automatic? And what we're going to do is we're going to test out all of that concepts. Right now we are in automatic, and I'm going to go over here and hit downshift, and as you can see, it will downshift. While in there, I can force the gears. I'm forcing it to 5th. So yes, you can force the gears up. Now here I am trying to force the gear up at this speed, and the bike won't let me. It will let me. Let's see, I'm downshifting, it lets me downshift. And let's see if I'm downshift again. Yes, I can downshift. Well, as you can see, I am in drive mode. So let's see about upshifting. I'm in 5th. I'm trying to upshift, and it's basically indicating that I'm not going fast enough. So I go faster. Okay, so we can upshift. But you know, when you have those situations, and many of you are probably familiar with this, you have those situations where somebody pulls out in front of you. Now right now I'm not doing any downshifting, it's doing it on its own. But somebody pulls out in front of you, and you say to yourself, dang it, I'm going to address this issue, and you want to immediately shove down a couple gears. Well, if you're in automatic, as you can see we are, you want to shove down. I just now noticed this road. This is a nice little road here, but you might want to shove down the gears. You know, you say, dang it, I know you didn't just do that to me. And then immediately on the regular bikes, we would turn around and we would downshift. We'd slam that gear down once or twice with our feet. With our left foot, we would just shove it in down. Okay, and then we would say, now let's talk. All right, well, with this, we are in 5th right now, 6th right now, and let's just say we had one of those incidents. Downshift, downshift. Now I can get it, and it will start shifting up for me and all that. So that answers that pretty good. I just stumbled across this road. I didn't know it had this many curves in it. But again, downshift, downshift. If I want to override the gearing and downshift it myself using the engine brake, as you can see, I downshifted before the bike wanted to downshift, and I'm still in manual mode. So that's some good information. Now let's try something a little different. Now let's go ahead and switch to manual mode only. Okay, I'm reaching over here, hitting the button, and you can see that the D went away, and now I am in manual mode. So as you can see, by now it would have shifted up, but I can shift up by hitting the finger right over here on the top. Hit my finger and shift up the gears. And of course, naturally, we are in manual mode, so I can definitely downshift. I guess if you were riding in a lot of curves and stuff, you'd want to do it. Now the gears are shifting pretty fast. I mean, it's a button click and then you shift. See, I just shifted up, up, down, down, down. All right. So as you can see, we are in manual mode. But let's see something here. Somebody told me without shifting, let's find out. I'm going to see if I slow down, they said the bike will automatically downshift for you. Let's see if that's true. I'm in 7th gear. Yep, it shifted down to 6th. It's down to 5th. I'm not doing anything. But now I'm in 4th. So now I'm going to accelerate. And it's not shifting up for me. I have to shift up. Okay, I'm going to switch back. Now as you can see, I'm in drive. Alright, so we did learn something. We learned that when you're in manual mode and you're going too slow, the bike will downshift for you. Almost like, well, I guess just like them Can-Ams out there, which I almost got. If you're a Can-Am fan and you want to know all about the Can-Ams, Coach Bob is the guy you go to on Can-Ams. But so this wasn't bad. It was a good idea to get out here and see how you can manually override the gears. Now remember, when we're in drive mode, we hit the button and we can change gears. Right now I want to downshift. I want the engine to downshift. And as you can see, I can override it. Of course, in automatic it does it. But remember, if you're in manual mode, by just simply hitting the button, and yes, you can do it on the fly while you're riding. If you hit manual mode, the bike, if you slow down too slow, the bike will downshift for you. And while in automatic, you can't shift up gears if you're not going in the right appropriate speed. The bike determines that you're not going fast enough to go to 7th. I'm hitting 7th right now and it's not letting me override, but I'm not going fast enough for 7th. But if somebody pulled and I wanted to go around somebody, I could just downshift, and it does that instantly. And then don't do anything, and it'll immediately catch us back up in the gears. So that's good information for you to know. I'm glad I got the opportunity to share this with you. I hope it helps answer some of the questions that you've had, some of you have had. Yes, you can switch modes while riding. Yes, you can override the gears even while in automatic. You can override the gears, but the bike will not let you override too high of a gear if you're not going the proper speed. And if you forget to downshift appropriately, even while in manual, the bike will automatically downshift for you. So until next time, thank you for watching.